So you have seen unboxing videos of this the Musk India beauty blenders and this eye makeup brushes. So I'm gonna do review of that. You must be thinking that why the size of this blender is big. I have soaked this one in water just to check what will be the size of this beauty blender after soaking in water. The size of this beauty blender was same, means before it was like this size. After soaking in water it increased, and this is the size. And yesterday I have tried to do makeup using this cosmetic sponge, so I have not cleaned this one properly. That's why some spots are there still. So coming to the point of this packaging, you can see the packaging of this beauty blender. It's really awesome. And the cost of this one is 999. So if you'll make it a round figure of 1000 rupees, in 1000 rupees you are getting 4 beauty blenders, that in different shape, 2 in olive cut, one this shape, and another this one is like teardrop shape. Okay, so done this one. So after then I'll talk about its texture. This one is a latex free cosmetic sponge, and after soaking in water, the size of this cosmetic sponge is like this, means approx I'll not say double, but size increased like more than half. Like after soaking in water, size of this cosmetic sponge is this much, and the texture is very nice. So this is the packaging, this is the pricing details I already told you. Even if you will get more beauty blenders, like small size beauty blenders, which you can use for your small areas like under eyes, on top of your eyelids, so those you can get that one. That also is coming with combo pack. For that you have to visit the website of the Musk India and you can purchase from there. They are providing the products in COD basis as well. You have to place the order for COD base, and you will get a confirmation call from the Musk India team. So you have to confirm that you have placed the order, and they will release the product and you will receive that one. And these are the brushes. So I'll tell you, these are the setup 11 brushes I have placed order, and the price of this was I forgot, I'll mention in description box. These brushes came with this package, and each of the brushes was packaged in this kind of wrappers. I just have removed the wrappers. I don't like this to keep in, so I have removed. So these are the brushes. I'll show you. This one is MBM02. This is Brow Definer, one side spoolie, one side flat angular brush, and this is C. After applying any creamy product on that, you will see the tip will be very thin, so you will be able to define your brow hairs properly. So the brush number I'll repeat once again. It's MBM02. The number of the brush is MBM02. Next we'll talk about blending brushes. So I have received 3 blending brushes in different size. One is MBM, where is the number? I have to rotate it to show. One is MBM07, another is MBM11, one more is MBM12. So if you will see the fluffiness, then you will see this is more fluffy, so you can use this one for bigger area, and this is the medium one, this is the smaller one. So this is the thing. The bristles are not pokey, these are smooth. I already have used last night just to do my makeup, and these are not pokey. You can choose this one, and the finishing of the blending is also good. Next I have received 3 shader brushes. So you can see the number MBM0403 and this is MBM09. I have holded this one oppositely. You can see this is MBM09. So let's talk about its work and the finishing. You see the bristles, you can notice there are two different types of bristles, not types, you can see the color, because I feel both the three are synthetic hair only and three are shader brush only. This is the smaller in size. You can use for your small areas of your eyelid, or else you can use for shading the lower lash line. Whenever you are applying any eyeshadow or kohl, you can just shade it using this. Next, this brush, this one is MBM10 and I use this brush for creating the crease. You can see the finishing of this and the density. Just means you can pick the product and just deposit this one, and even if you can smoothly smudge that. This one is the Musk India MBM08 brush number. This one is the kind of pencil smudger brush. I was expecting this to be a bit pointed, but no problem, the work is good. Yesterday I used this one. This one is the brush number MBM06. This is fluffy tapered brush. The shape is tapered shape but bit fluffy. Even you can use this one for inner corner highlighting, and you can use for smudging your eyeliner as well, and you can use for smudging your lower lash line, kohl or eyeshadows. This one is eyeliner brush. The number is MBM01. This is the brush. I didn't use this one. What I feel is bit thick. I was expecting for a bit thinner, but it's a bit thick. No problem. I'll check this work and I'll let you know. So total 11 brushes. Apart from that, I just have placed order for one lip brush. This is MBM05. You can see the brush. So these are the brushes and cosmetic sponges from the Musk India. So you can opt if you are looking for any budget friendly products, like you don't want to spend so much like any other international branded products. So you can go with this kind of brushes. Even if you are a beginner also, you can choose this one. This you will find you are covering all the brushes in this set. Like you can apply blending purpose, 3 brushes you are getting, and shading purpose also, smudging purpose also, inner corner highlight, brow bone and eyeliner as well. So it's covering all, means maximum of the things you are covering in this. So you can go for this one. This packaging is also good and the product is also good. So thank you Musk India. Thanks, this is good product.